everyone! Good afternoon! Romina, ang tanawen nyo sa Tasmania is back! Kamusta po tayong lahat? How are we all today? Today is Monday, the 20th of January 2025. Last week, I decided to open my money tin. I will show it to you. It's about this size. The total amount that I've saved on this one is $132. Only 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents. And then I put the money on my savings for my holiday. Because I'm going to Philippines for holiday this coming October for 2 weeks. That's why, now that I can't use this anymore, I buy a new one. As you can see, I have two money tins. This one is bigger, and this one is like medium size. With this one, I will use this to save 50 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents. And let's see how, I'm not really sure how many years before I can fill this one up because it's really big. And with this medium size, I will use this to save $1 and $2. That is the lower bill that we have for $1 and $2. We don't have $3 or $5 coins. Okay? And I'm excited for this two brand new money tin that I will try to save some money for holiday. Well, it's big help, as in a big help for me. $132 is not too bad for 50, 20, 10, and 5 cents. Kaya, mag-impok ng may madukot. Kahit pa 5-5, pag pinagsama-sama, ay malaking pakinabang. Ayun lang po ang video natin sa araw na to. Bye-bye! God bless us all and choose to be a better person.